mathematics subject, exercise 3.1. Students, already you have studied how to find range and mean of the given data. In the previous class, I have told you how to solve range and average. Average means the mean. Now, range is equals to highest score minus lowest score, and mean or average is equals to sum of all observations divided by. This is the formula to find the range. In the given observation, first identify which is the highest score and then identify the lowest score and take the difference between them. By subtracting the lowest score from the highest score, it gives the range. So this is about how to find the range. And to find the mean means average. So average, we can find average by taking sum of all the observations and divide the sum of all the observations by the number of observations. Students, come to solve exercise number 3.1. The first question is, find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Students, first serial number, then number of students, then name of students, then heights. Prepare the table height of 10 students in your class. We want 10 students. First one, number of students. First number 1, say Girish, Gauri, Shankar, Ram, Rahim, Maulana, Prem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Sheila, Bharati, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Bhavya. So this is the name of 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now take the height of Girish as 4.6 centimeter, heights in centimeter. Gauri 3.4 centimeter. Shankar 4.1 centimeter. Ram 3.8 centimeter. Rahim 4.2 centimeter. Maulana 4.8 centimeter. Prem 3.5 centimeter. Sheila 4.3 centimeter. Bharati 4.0 centimeter. And Bhavya 3.9 centimeter. These are the heights of these 10 students of your class. Now we want to find the range. So in all these heights, identify which is the highest score. These are the scores. These are the heights of 10 students. Now the highest score here is 4.8. This is the highest. And the lowest height is 3.5. This is lowest. Take the difference between the highest score and the lowest score. It gives you the range. Therefore, range is equals to highest score minus lowest score. That is equals to highest score is 4.8. Highest score 4.8 and lowest score is 3.5. This is the lowest score. Put the values. Highest score 4.8 centimeter minus lowest score 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, the range is equals to 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. So, the range is 1.3 centimeter. This is how to find the range. Now, question number 1 solved. Similarly, second question. Organize the following marks in class assessment in a tabular form. The given marks are 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6, 7. These are the given scores. Now, arrange these given observations in the class assessment. So, prepare the tabular column. First, serial number, then numbers. First column serial number, then numbers, and then tally marks. Then frequency. Serial number 1. In the given observation, there is number 1. First number 1. Search how many times 1 is appeared in the given list of numbers. 1 appears only once. Therefore, give 1 tally mark. Now circle this. Then second one. Number 2. Second number 2. Find the number of 2, how many times it appears in the given list of numbers. 2 one time, 2 times only. 2 appears 2 times, therefore put 2 tallies. Now circle 2. Then 3. Similarly, find the number 3, how many times it appears in the given list of numbers. 1. Yes, 3 appears only once. Put 1 tally. Number 4. 1. Now circle 3. Then 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 appears 3 times. Give 3 tallies. Now circle number 4. Then number 5. Find how many times 5 appeared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 appears. Therefore, first write 4 tallies vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fifth carry, draw from the top of the first tally to the bottom of the fourth tally. Now circle number 5. Next, number 6. Find how many times 6 appears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give 4 tallies. Then circle 6. Then number 7. 7. 7 1 times. 7 2 times. Put 2 tallies. Then circle 7. Then 8. 8 appears only once. Put 1 tally. And then circle number 8. Next last number is 9. 9 appears only once. So put 1 tally. These are the tallies, tally marks. Then frequency. Count the number of tallies. First one, 1. 1. Number of tallies. Second, 2. Number of tallies. Third one is 1. Number of tallies. Fourth one is 3. Number of tallies. Fifth one is 5. Number of tallies. Sixth one is 4. Number of tallies. Seventh one is 2. Number of tallies. Eighth one is 1. Number of tallies in the ninth is 1. These are the frequencies. Now the questions are, first one, which number is the highest? See here, from 1 to 9, these are the numbers. The highest number is 9. This is the highest. Therefore, number A, highest number is equals to 9. Number B, which number is the lowest? Here the numbers from 1 to 9, the lowest number is 1. This is lowest, this is highest. Lowest number is 1. Then question number C, third one, what is the range of the data? Number C, range is equals to highest score minus lowest score. Highest score minus lowest score. Highest score is 9, lowest score is 1. Therefore, range is equals to 9 minus 1. It is 8. The range is 8. Then last number, find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean or mean. Mean equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. That is equals to sum of all the observations, that is sum of all these observations. That is the total number of frequency. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16, 18, 19, 20. Sum of all the observations is 20. This is total is equals to 20. Here also total 20. And number of observations, here total number of observations 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now take the sum of all observation, not 20, sum of 4 6 7 5, that is equals to 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 up to like this, the last number is plus 7, divided by number of observations by counting the numbers. The numbers given in the list of observation is 20. Therefore, that is equals to, now sum of all these given observations is 100 divided by 20. 21s are 25s are, it is equals to 5, and this is the mean.